Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I was really craving something comforting, so I decided to make yam porridge, but with my own little twist. So guys, I already had some yam at home, so I just peeled them, I washed, and I cut it into smaller chunks. Nothing fancy, just the regular size so that it can cook very fast. So the next thing I did was I boiled the yam with just water. I added some salt and some seasoning cubes, and I didn't even bother adding crayfish or all those extras today. I'm just trying to, just keep it really simple. So while the yam was boiling, while the yam was cooking, I made my pepper mix separately. Just some fresh pepper, some onion, and bell pepper. I blended it roughly with my food processor. I fried it with some palm oil. I like to fry it till the oil starts floating. That is when I know it is ready. So the next thing I did is that when I noticed that the yam was very soft and most of the water has already dried up, I poured in my pepper mix into it. So yes, after adding the pepper mix, I like to cook for some while, and when I realized it was properly cooked, I had to crush it with my potato crusher. So that's the manual one. And you guys, of course, I had to put something nice on the side. So I had tilapia fish in my freezer. So what I did was I just cleaned it up. I seasoned it with some seasoning cubes and salt, nothing much, nothing special. Then after some while, after marinating, I fried it, and I prepared it in some mixed peppers, the bell peppers, scotch bonnet, and the onion. I fried earlier on. I divided into two. I used one for my porridge and I used the other one for the pepper for the fish. So the pepper fish really brought the whole meal together. It's that kind of food you eat and just sit back, yes, that is what I really needed, and I didn't even stress myself. So no crayfish, no overthinking, just good food with what I had. I feel like my yam porridge is that one meal you can make different every time. Sometimes I add vegetables, sometimes I don't, but in this one I added spinach. So today I just wanted, pepper, oil, fish, and some vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use kale, so it depends. You can use pumpkin leaves. They call it ugu back in Africa. So yeah, that is what I made. If you are looking for a warm feeling and easy meal, this is one you should try, and that fish on the side is just too perfect for that meal. Let me know if you're going to be trying this kind of combo or if you have tried it before, or you're going to try it later on. This is how I make my own porridge sometimes, and I'm always looking for a new twist. Please like, comment, and share, and click on the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first person to see. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for always watching, staying back, and just sit back and watch the video to the end. Thanks for joining, and see you some other time.
She knows where she belongs. With a flick of her hair, she turns heads in a crowd. Confidence shining, she stands tall and proud. Every challenge met with a smile and a sway. And the tales that she weaves, she's the one leading the way. Living for the now, she's owning every hour. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. Ooh. fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. Eunice moves with grace, she lights up the street. In her own little world, where the rhythm is sweet. Every step she takes, it's a dance on her own. Reflection of a queen, in a city she's grown. But they don't see the fire burning inside her. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. With a flick of her hair, she turns heads in a crowd. Confidence shining, she stands tall and proud. Every challenge met with a smile and a sway. In the tales that she weaves, she's the one leading the way. Living for the now, she's owning every hour. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. Living for the now, she's owning every hour. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. Eunice moves with grace, she lights up the street. In her own little world, where the rhythm is sweet.